guys know, I'm doing a 10-part series on all of the new items that I've added to my wardrobe. And today, guys, I want to go ahead and show you guys my new sandals that I got. Specifically, Hermes. Now, as we all know, Hermes is extremely hard to find in these particular colorway and sandals. I basically got the new Chypre sandals that are extremely hard to come by. I was able to get these online. I was stalking the website constantly looking for my my actual size, and they finally came back into stock in a size 30. I think I bought this in a 39. Yeah, I think I bought this in a 39 or a 38. I don't see it in the box. I'll double check to make sure, but I'm pretty sure I got these in a 38. I will say I would suggest going up a half a size. These fit me like perfectly to the T, where the back of my foot is like right there. So I could really go for like a 38 and a half. But either ways, I'm gonna make it work. They're always sold out in my size, and I don't feel like constantly stalking the website to try to find it. So I'm gonna make do with just this size in particular. But I'm super excited for these Chypre dad sandals. I've been looking for a pair of dad sandals from Hermes that was more of a neutral colorway, but I didn't want black. I feel like black was so boring, and I already have enough black shoes. I already have enough black sandals. So I wanted something that was a little bit different. And so these actually have some brown edging, and it kind of has like a fabric checkered detail with a leather strap, and that's one of the reasons why I really like this one in particular, because it was a bit different than the typical like neutral white or cream or even like a pinky beige dad sandal. Yeah, so you can see the close-up of the H, the bit of the brown lining, and the checkered on the very inside right here on the fabric, the white and brown checkered design. Very cool. You see the Hermes design on the back, all of the H's, and then the actual Hermes logo right here. Really cool pair of sandals. So yeah, I will be wearing these pretty much all summer long. Definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok if you want to see how I styled it. If I can add some clips of me styling it in this video, I will. But until next time, I will see you guys later. And as always, do it always with style.